course of my hair loss, I don't know why. I can't tell you why. I can't tell you it's because I tried to do this or what. I don't know if my life was just distracting enough at the time because I was young and I was having kids, and at the time was very involved with what my husband was doing with his career. We had a lot of distractions, and then maybe that's why I never sort of was in a crash and burn place with my hair loss. I certainly didn't like it. I just never really hit rock bottom with it. I just was doing what I needed to do day in, day out to make it work. So when I say once I started wearing hair this way that it was really a game changer for me, I don't mean that it pulled me out of a deep depression, or I just never got there, and I'm not sure why. Believe me, I feel super grateful that I never was there, but I know that many of you are. And I want you to know that it's okay. I want you to know that you're not going to be there forever, and that not everybody's game changer looks the same. So